Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent English Studio.
Hi, everyone. Today's episode is a little more relaxed.
Yes, today we're just having a real conversation, like two friends talking.
Exactly. No pressure, just natural English.
So, Sarah, I was thinking about something this morning.
Oh, really? What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about how much our lives change over time.
That's interesting. What made you think about that?
Well, I was looking at some old photos on my phone, and I realized I was a completely different person a few years ago.
I feel the same way sometimes. When I look at old pictures, I almost don't recognize myself.
In what way?
Not just how I look, but how I think. I used to worry about small things all the time, and now I'm trying to be more relaxed.
That's a big change.
Yeah, I think life teaches you slowly.
Do you think people really change, or do they just grow?
That's a good question. I think we grow, but we also change a little. Our experiences change us.
I agree. For example, when I started working, I was very nervous. I didn't feel confident at all.
Really? You seem very confident now.
Well, I'm still learning.
I think confidence comes with time. The more you try, the less afraid you feel.
That's true, especially with English. Many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, I see that a lot. People are thinking too much instead of just speaking.
Exactly. They are waiting to be perfect.
But perfection doesn't exist.
Right. Even native speakers make mistakes.
All the time.
Let me ask you something. Do you remember your first time speaking English with someone?
Oh yes, I remember it very clearly. I was so nervous. I could feel my heart beating fast.
Same here. What happened?
I made a lot of mistakes, but the other person was very kind, and that helped me relax.
That's important. When people feel safe, they speak better.
Yes, learning is easier when you're not afraid. What about you? What was your experience?
I remember I was trying to speak, but I was translating everything in my head. It was very slow and very stressful.
Yes, that's a big problem for many learners.
Over time, I stopped translating. I started thinking in English little by little.
That's the goal. When you think in English, everything becomes easier.
Let's talk about something else. Travel.
Oh, I love travel.
Me too. Have you ever traveled somewhere that changed you?
Yes, actually. I visited a small town once. Very quiet, very simple. And people there were so kind.
That sounds nice.
It made me realize something. You don't need a lot to be happy.
That's a powerful lesson.
Yes, sometimes we are chasing too many things.
And we forget to enjoy what we already have.
Exactly. Now I try to slow down more. I try to enjoy simple moments.
Like what?
Like drinking coffee in the morning or walking outside without my phone.
That's actually difficult these days.
Very difficult. People are always checking their phones.
Including us sometimes.
Yes, we're not perfect.
Let's be honest. How often are you using your phone every day?
Too much. I am checking messages, social media, videos, and suddenly 1 hour is gone.
Same here. I'm trying to reduce that.
How?
I'm setting small limits, and I'm replacing phone time with something useful.
Like what?
Like listening to podcasts, reading, or walking.
That's a good idea. Small changes make a big difference.
Exactly. And for our listeners, you are already doing something good.
Yes, you are listening to English right now.
You are improving, step by step.
Even if it feels slow, you are progressing.
Don't stop.
Keep going.
Thank you for listening to Fluent English Studio.
We really enjoy sharing these conversations with you.
And we hope you feel more confident every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.